Hello guys, myself Romita Chopra. Welcome to my channel Craft Crow, and today's video is going to be really amazing and creative. So watch it till the end. आज का टॉपिक है how to make bookmarks. तो आज हम बनाएंगे 4 types of bookmarks. तो चलिए start करते हैं. For the first bookmark, I'm using this designer sheet. If you don't have it, you can simply use colorful paper too. Now cut this sheet 7 cm wide, that is enough to make a bookmark. Now paste a rectangular shaped paper on this designer paper. Now take a white paper to write the quote. Cut the words and paste these on the bookmark. Now we will take a puncher to punch a hole. Now pass a ribbon through this hole and tie a knot. Our bookmark is ready. For the second bookmark, we will take a designer sheet and cut it into two sizes, 7 cm and 8 cm wide. Now mark 0.5 cm from the edges and draw the lines. Now cut the edges and fold these. Now mark this area and cut it out. Paste this on the 7 cm wide paper. Now take a white paper and write books I have read this year. And draw some lines. Now make a tassel with wool. And tie it on the bookmark. For the third one, we will need white paper and two colorful papers. I'm using a flower shaped puncher. We need to punch the ends of the both sheets. Now cut this paper diagonally. And do the same with the other. Paste these on the white paper and now paste these flowers. We will paste the quote now. Now punch a hole in the top right corner of the bookmark and tie a ribbon. Ta-da! Our third bookmark is also ready. For the fourth bookmark, take a yellow paper and paste these paper strips on it. Now write read on the design sheet and cut the alphabets. Now we're going to paste these words on the bookmark. And punch a hole with the puncher and tie the thread. So our bookmarks are ready and they look amazing. So guys, do tell me in comment section how much you like this idea and आपको फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ में से कौन सा बुकमार्क ज़्यादा पसंद आया. मटेरियल की डिटेल्स डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. डू चेक द डिस्क्रिप्शन. ऑल्सो डू फॉलो मी इन इंस्टाग्राम एंड फेसबुक. इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, गिव इट अ बिग फैट थम्स अप एंड ऑल्सो डू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल फॉर मोर अमेजिंग वीडियोज एंड घंटी जरूर बजाना. सो फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए यू टेक केयर एंड स्टे सेफ. एंड हाँ, अभी कोरोना खत्म नहीं हुआ है. कैरी योर मास्क एंड टेक प्रिकॉशंस. सो बाय बाय एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच.